Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have been drawn to the, it's over there, it's called the Hardman Door. It's new in Eastleigh. So today we've got bacon, a sausage back. Oh my god, it's fucking perfect.
Oh my god.
We've also got a juice burst, orange juice. Try out the sausage on its own. We're going to try it on its own.
Jesus! Big bite. Did you get any sauce in that? Oh, dry. Like how you think.
That's all.
Yeah. How is it?
They're really good.
Yeah.
They're pies, so we'll try one of them. So the juice bash. 6 there we go.
How is that? How is that? Let's get oh, that bacon's cooked a bit weird though. You like the paper with that too? Oh my god! A whole slab of bacon.
It's raining.
So that's why this video is so rushed, is because
Goodbye. We will see you next Wednesday.